What's up, guys? This week I don't really have anything going on. Lately I've been trying to get certified in Salesforce and I'm nearly done, so I've been focusing on that more than on my cars. So I thought I'd just do a little update. I have a few hours left on my coursework until I believe I'm gonna be ready to take the admin test. So I just been completely focused on that. So all I'm gonna do is go over the repairs that we've done. So on the Focus RS, the purge valve, I've drove it quite a bit. It's been through key cycles and it hasn't came back up, so I think it is good to go. I don't think it's gonna have any more issues. Fingers crossed. That's all the issues I have with the car for now. Going on to the Camaro, even though the mass airflow sensor got changed prior to me buying it, that's what I was told. Switching that, been driving it, that's also been fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some Bondo and some rattle can red paint and just fix all the imperfections that are in the front like this and just go around and fix those issues. Like Bondo over this, sand it down, paint it up, and then especially right here on the back, and then again right here. I know that's not the right way to repair and repaint that stuff, but if all goes well with this car, once it's completely redone, I am going to get it professionally repainted or try it myself and do it the right way. But for now, I think that would just look better. So coming up, I think I'm gonna have to focus on the Camaro content, which I know sucks. Most of everyone that watches these videos, we're here for the focus. But doing that and then also focusing on trying to get this Salesforce job will give me a lot more money to be able to put into the car. And I'll actually be able to do a lot of cool mods, get different cars. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on for now. So the channel is probably going to slow down. I'll still be posting every week. It just probably won't be a lot of focus content, which I'm sorry for, but I got to focus on myself right now and what's best for me. And then in turn, that'll be what's best for the channel. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week, hopefully with some more exciting content than just a small update video.